Welcome to my channel, Creative Akshara. Today I am showing how to reuse old bangle and decorate our house. I am using two color bangles here. Let's fix one on another using Fevicol. Like this, let's fix all two bangles. Now take the base bangle and fix one above another like this. Let's now fix the final top bangle and let it dry. Our final diya stand is ready. It looks awesome in day and night. This is how I have decorated my house this Diwali. We can also reuse this as kada, so multipurpose use of bangle. I hope you liked this video. Please do subscribe to my channel if you have not yet. Thank you. Have a great day.